Hello everyone, Latif Smith here, and this is my week 5 presentation on my PSML overview. For this discussion board, I will be going over how the City of Corona will be changing their emergency action plan that will be set up by their new Director of Community Services. This new change that's going to be set up by the Community Services Director will phase one be going over how to implement the strategic plan and how it will be designed. If we use the overarching theme by Luther Gulick as POPs cores, we will be able to go over the planning and organizing of this program. During this time, we will use theories of Follett, how she will have to be considerate and collaborative in the environment as they discuss how to implement an emergency action plan for the community services department that has multiple departments. They will also need to use Maslow's hierarchy of needs to go over how the employees will need to operate throughout the action plan as their basic needs are going to be met or need to be met as it is going to be during an emergency. So they can reach those higher levels of actualization. These lower level needs will need to be taken care of. Also, when looking at the emergency action plan, we'll look over Willow's beliefs on budgeting and how those funds will be allocated and how it will remain transparent. When they do the walkthroughs and run-throughs of this action plan as they test it out, they will be using the Hawthorne effect to see how the employees react to the action of feeling taken care of and being watched, how they take these steps to effectively clear out the building during an emergency. Up next will be conflict resolution. The director will need to use transformational leadership to transform the organization as they undergo a new emergency action plan. During this action plan, they'll also need to use Katz and Kahn's open systems theory as they'll have to be collaborative and communicate with different objects, including in effects of conflict that arise from inside the organization as well as outside, which have caused the conflict.